In case you're wondering what I'm doing, Alec Peirce at the ranch here, by the way. I'm not making banana chips. What I'm making, this is pretty neat actually. We got a puppy a little while ago. Brand new puppy, our good dog Maggie is getting old, and we thought she might enjoy having a brand new puppy around the house. I'll show you the puppy in just a minute. And on the process of training a puppy, you have to have treats, lots of treats. The treats are not cheap. Diana went and bought some treats the other day. And a treat like this with, I don't know how much is in there. It's like a bag of potato chips. It's 30 or 40. You can pay a lot more. You can't find very much for that. Less than about 30, 40 bucks, which is crazy. But we discovered, and we can't remember where we first saw this. Somebody suggested bananas. Bananas are good. Good for me, it's good for the dog. A little bit sweet, cheap, relatively cheap anyway. Certainly a lot cheaper than buying treats in the bag. And where we read about this, they said, all you do is take your banana and chop it up into little chips, as I'm doing right now, and then bake it, put it in the oven and bake it until they're crispy. And they are great. So we have a couple of bananas here chopped up. A bunch. How much did those bananas cost you?
Couple bucks.
A couple of bucks for, and I don't have enough treats to last about a week. Okay, ready? You move it. You move it. Badger, 4 months old. Sit. Good boy. Yeah. He loves these dried bananas. Cheap, and he loves them. Good for him too. Good boy. He lay down. 4 months old. Check that out. I haven't got him rolling over yet. Got him chasing around. Anyway, there you go. Guys, you guys people have dogs, particularly puppies, and you're looking for treats, even for dogs. Buy a bag of them. You want one too, there? Okay. Oh, this is for Maggie. Maggie likes them too, the old girl. Rather than paying $30, $40 for a bag of treats at the pet store and so on. So I'll get some bananas, chop them up, dry them. They love them. Okay, just a little tip. I don't know. Alec Peirce at the ranch. Bye-bye.